Yo, what's up? It's your boy TwixPH, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get all the command list in Microsoft Word. So first off, you can go here, MS Word, and then add a new blank page or document, and then right over here, general menu, view menu, and then right here macros, click that macros, and then this here, put list commands with S, all in caps or capital letters, and don't hit this one, just press enter. After that, choose this one, current keyboard settings, and then after that click OK, and voila. If ever you don't know all the command list or all the command in Microsoft Word, here it is. So guys, and you can print it anytime you want. So if ever this video helps you, please share the video and comment if you, from where you are, and maybe share so that maybe your friends will love this also, and you may help them. Yeah, so if you like this video, please like and share, and that's all. I hope it helps. It's your boy 2weeksph. I'm out.